There's a huge difference between being a specialist and a generalist. For example, you'd never go to a general practitioner and ask him to perform open-heart surgery. Well, this is also true in the world of asset management. At Intelligent Technology Solutions, we're the industry-leading specialist for enterprise asset management services, with an emphasis on cloud and SaaS IBM Maximo solutions, mobility, and technical support. Since 1999, we've provided our clients quicker time to value by ensuring that projects are done right the first time. We provide military-grade security, competitive cost savings, maximum uptime, lightning-fast performance, and a friendly, knowledgeable team that's always there for you. Want to learn more? Contact us today at sales@webuildits.com to schedule a free consultation. Mention this video and receive a 20% service discount. Our team of specialists will evaluate your current system and show you exactly where you can improve.